Scan the QR code to contact customer service and you will receive faster technical support. Chevrolet Tahoe Suburban GMC Yukon 14.5 vertical screen installation steps. Remove the left trim cover, then take out the fixing screws. Remove the bottom baffle. Remove the steering wheel adjuster handle. Remove the steering wheel cover. Remove the square control plug. Match up the square control adapter cable. Remove the center console trim cover plate. Remove the left side of the center console fixing screws. Remove the left air conditioning vent trim strip. Remove the passenger side trim panel. Remove the center panel fixing screws. Remove the top cover of the display. Remove the master control panel. Disconnect the air conditioning panel plug. Remove the left and right side air conditioning vent fixing screws and take out the air vents. Remove the fixing screws on the left and right sides of the display. Remove the display and disconnect the original plug. Secure the new accessory hardware to the top of the center control. Wire definition. Car radio backside plugging instructions diagrams. Wire to the original car, gray plug to the original car air conditioning panel plugs. Black plug to the original car display plug. Docking of audio adapter cables. Steering wheel adapter wire docking. Headphone jack AUX adapter cable to glove box AUX port. Snap the decorative accessory onto the back of the top of the display. In order to restore the installation can be completed.